What if I told you that one clove of garlic, eaten at exactly the right time, could rewire how your body repairs itself while you sleep? Scientists have discovered something incredible. When you crush raw garlic and eat it before bed, you're not just adding flavor to your night, you're triggering a cellular process most people have never heard of. Here's what happens. The moment you crush that clove, an enzyme called alliinase springs to life. It transforms a dormant compound into allicin, one of nature's most powerful molecules. And allicin doesn't mess around. But here's where it gets interesting. Your body has a built-in repair system called autophagy. Think of it like a cleanup crew that sweeps through your cells, removing damaged parts and rebuilding stronger ones. And this crew works hardest when you sleep. Now, researchers believe that timing matters. A lot. When you eat crushed garlic right before sleep, those sulfur compounds hit your bloodstream just as your body enters its deepest repair phase. Your mitochondria, the tiny power plants in every cell, start getting the raw materials they need exactly when they're working overtime. It's like delivering construction supplies right when the night shift begins. Studies show garlic's sulfur compounds fight inflammation, boost immune signals, and protect cells from damage. But most people eat it wrong. They cook it. They eat it during the day. They miss the window. The real magic happens when allicin meets your circadian rhythm. While you're unconscious, your body is anything but asleep. It's scrubbing inflammation from your arteries, repairing DNA, strengthening your immune system. And those garlic compounds? They're acting like fuel for the entire operation. Here's the part that surprised even scientists. This isn't some exotic supplement. It's not a pharmaceutical breakthrough. It's been sitting in your kitchen the entire time. A single clove. Crushed, not chopped. Raw, not cooked. Timed with your biology, not against it. One study found that people who consumed raw garlic regularly showed markers of reduced cellular aging. Another revealed improved mitochondrial function. Your cells literally worked better. So what does this mean for you? It means longevity might not require expensive treatments or complicated protocols. Sometimes the most powerful medicine is the simplest. Sometimes all it takes is understanding when your body is listening and giving it exactly what it needs in that moment. One clove, one choice, perfectly timed. Your cells will do the rest.